Think Green is visiting the Honda Smart Home in Davis, California, to see how newer technologies are being used for a zero carbon footprint lifestyle.
During occupancy, of course, we're concerned about the energy that's used. There's a high priority on energy, but one of the other things you really need to focus on is the water use. So all of the fixtures in the house are very low water use. The faucets are able to turn off automatically if you leave the water running too long.
All of the outside landscaping is xeriscaped. Using native plants that are appropriate for the Davis climate helps reduce water consumption.
We actually water them using gray water. And gray water is the water that comes out of your bathtubs, your bathroom sinks, and your laundry machine. All of that water can be reused with just simple filtering. We can reuse that water and we can use it to irrigate all the plants outside.
Part of the home's design includes an HVAC system that uses less than half of the electricity compared to similar-sized homes in the area. This is accomplished with something called a ground source heat pump.
One of the interesting comfort concepts that we've included in this home is to utilize radiant systems for both heating and cooling in the space.
Jonathan Woolley is an associate research engineer at the Western Cooling Efficiency Center here at UC Davis.
Not only are they more efficient in distributing heat and cooling throughout the house, but they affect human comfort in a different way.
By heating the occupants with radiant heat, the air can remain cooler for a more comfortable environment.
A conventional air conditioner, with which most people are familiar with, is a heat pump. And we're utilizing the same general technology concept here. What's special about the heat pump we're utilizing is that it's reversible and multifunction. We can use that heat pump to provide both cooling and heating. We take the waste heat and we dump it into the ground. And so we've installed a series of geothermal heat exchangers. We're able to extract heat from the ground and deliver it into the space using a very efficient heat pump process.
In most residential constructions, ductwork leaks significantly.
In all of the systems that I've tested, I've never found a ductwork system that leaks by less than 10%, and I've found plenty that leak by more than 40 or 50%.
With hydronic distribution, none of that heat leaks into the unconditioned space.
We circulate heated or cooled water directly into the building mass in order to maintain comfort in the living environment.
Ceiling fans are installed throughout the house to help increase the cooling capacity for a short period of time.
If you come in from outside and it's hot, and you want to be comfortable immediately because you're a little bit sweaty, your metabolic rate is really high, you can switch these ceiling fans on and they'll move a lot of air really quickly.
The Honda Smart Home uses different ways to reduce waste heat. One of the technologies used is called drain water heat recovery.
As hot drain water from our showers and our tub and our sinks upstairs drains down and towards the gray water system, we take the cold water that's coming in to refill our domestic hot water tank and run it through a counterflow heat exchanger. It picks up a significant amount of the heat that would otherwise just be going straight out to the sewer.
A standard air conditioner produces cold air while simultaneously dumping hot air into the environment, causing wasted heat.
The way we've designed this system, we actually have the opportunity, when we're cooling the house, to capture some of that waste heat and put it directly into our domestic hot water storage, so we don't have to heat water as much for our showers and other domestic uses.
Coming up, we'll take a closer look at the energy-efficient lighting in the Honda Smart Home and how it ties in with the occupant's well-being.